Hi there, so let's talk about how to create a shared dataset. Business intelligence is a collaborative activity, and that's where it's important to establish standardized datasets which can be the one source of truth. And discovering and reusing those standardized datasets is basically the key. So whenever the expert data modelers in your organizations create and share optimized datasets, the report creators can start with those datasets to build accurate reports. And then your organization would have the consistent data for making decisions and a healthy data culture. So to create a dataset, you can either go to this option, click on plus. Either you pick a published dataset or you paste or manually enter your data to create this dataset. You can enter your tabular data over here. Once your data is entered, you can give a name to your dataset. And then from this option, you can create a dataset. Another option is you can go to this dataset where you would have already available datasets. These datasets can be shared with some other folks in your team. So you can simply click on share and then share this datasets with the rest of the other members in your team. That's how you can create and share a dataset.